Do you really know what Samsung Auto Blocker is doing on your device? Or is it just another setting or app you turned on without understanding? Today, I will show you what it actually does and why it might be protecting you right now. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station. Samsung Auto Blocker is a built-in security feature that protects your phone from risky apps, unknown connections, and hidden attacks. But that's just the surface. Let's go deeper. First, it blocks app installation from unknown sources. So, if you try to install an APK file from internet, Autoblocker will stop it. This is important because many malware apps come disguised as APK files. Second, it protects your phone from USB based attacks. If someone connects your phone to a computer, Autoblocker can prevent unauthorized commands from running. It helps protect against hacking tools. It also adds extra protection at the system level. That means even if something suspicious try to run in the background, your phone has an extra layer of defense. Here's the truth. Most people don't get hacked because they are targeted. They get hacked because they install wrong app or connect to the wrong device. And that's exactly what autoblocker is designed to prevent. For example, you download an app from a random website. Without autoblocker, it installs without any trouble. With autoblocker, your phone will stop it immediately. That one block could save your data. If you are a normal user, you should keep autoblocker on all the time. If you are a developer or advanced user, you can turn it off temporarily when needed. Samsung autoblocker is not just another feature, it's a silent security guard for your phone. You may not see it working, but it's protecting you in the background. If this video helped you understand your phone better, give it a like and share it with your friends. And subscribe to Galaxy Station for more Samsung tips and hidden features.